Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what I made from the December dollar bead box. I didn't end up doing any tutorials because of the Christmas holidays. It was really crazy, but I do have an upcoming one that I'm going to show you. I made one earring. I was just kind of practicing and I love the way this turned out. I'm going to start with that one. I absolutely love the way this turned out. It's kind of 3D. So see the way it opens up like that? And it just kind of, I don't know if you can see it hang, but I have this set aside. So I used just two really long pieces, and I intertwined it. So it's really cool. And then it's got this at the bottom. So I do want to make another one to match this. So I will be doing a tutorial on that. Then I love the way these turned out. These are so cute. So they're just kind of like these little artsy earrings. And I used gold on for the ear wires. I think they're so cute and they're very lightweight. I loved these beads right here. I really love this this bead box. It's just, there's always, you know, I love when there's just like 4 or 5 really cool beads that you can make something and then you know, you don't mass produce them, but you just have something special for somebody for a gift. So I made these and I used my black beads and my turquoise metallic 11-0 seed beads. But I think, oh, and I did use a few of my gold too. Just the tiny seed beads were mine. Everything else was from Dollar Bead Box. So I got that. And I have this. And then I made these really cool earrings. I love the way these turned out. I have 2. So I have these. I love the way these turned out. I think they turned out so cute. Let me get that down. And oh. So yeah, so I have these. I had a lot of fun working on these. Just put on my TV and made some jewelry. So I have these. Let me fix those. Then I also made this necklace. Let me get it. Just made a little pendant to kind of go with it. And then I just made a circle and then I just, you know, connected it between there and draped it up and used all these beads. Then I made some really pretty earrings to go with it. I thought this was a really pretty set. So, yeah, I was really happy with this month's bead box. I really liked everything. I still, like I said, with my other box, I still have a lot. You know, just the holidays have been crazy. I'm sure I will be tearing into finish the rest of the boxes in in January, you know, once things get back to normal, because it always gets a little crazy during the holidays. So yeah, so these are the pieces, and I absolutely, like I said, I absolutely loved this one. This was just like just such a unique earring. And one thing I do when I make my earring tutorials, what I try to do is if I get an idea, I make one and off camera, and then if I like the way it turned out, then I'll make the other one on camera. Because sometimes, you know, you can plan something and say, oh, I, you know, want it to look like this, and then it doesn't work out, and then you're on camera and, you know, it's a waste of video. So, yeah, I was just thinking, I'm like, something that was kind of open, so especially like someone with short hair, you know, that could wear this, and it's very lightweight. It's just seed beads and some of the other beads. So I really loved this one. So I definitely am putting this up on my project thing. So I will be doing that hopefully in the next coming weeks. So I will leave a link to the dollar bead box below if you're interested, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And all my social media is below, my Etsy store where I sell most of my jewelry, my Facebook, my Instagram, and my Pinterest. So you can follow me on there to stay up to date, as well as YouTube. I really love having this channel. I have almost 1,500 followers now, and just everybody's so great. You motivate me to keep creating pieces by just leaving your comments and liking and everything. So I hope to do a lot more for you in 2023. So hope everybody has a happy new year if I don't talk to you before then, and make a video, and I will see you next year. Thanks for watching.